Look, they are already worshipping the serpent deity.
Tonight will be their last night. Poisonous snake. The worship of the snake god will end forever. The star of the god of the poisonous stone is shining even brighter now. The time for the sacrifice is almost here. As soon as they gather for the ritual, we all will go and attack them.
Dad, let me come with you. I want to learn their language too.
Sure, son. I will take you with me. So you can carry on our family legacy.
Let's attack now. Be it a man or a woman, old or not, it's to kill them all. Leave no one alive. Not one. No one should survive. Yes, the violence will end. Let's go.
Om Sri Gandak, may he rest forever.
yourself, please. Run. Save yourself, buddy. My back. From here. From here, yes. Move fast. Yes, from here, from here.
Where did they go?
They ran towards the jungle.
Hurry up. They will kill us. Hurry up. We need to go to the mountain temple.
I can't walk anymore. I'm really tired.
Look, just stay strong. We have to reach this hilltop temple no matter what.
Mother, you need to be brave. Get up, Mother. They're after us. Let's get out of here.
Hey, run!
Grab anyone.
Grab anyone!
Run.
Hurry up.
Let's
Hurry
go.
up.
Kill them. Kill them, bastard.
We must kill them.
Don't let them go.
Temple is just about to come up. We will be there shortly. Let's go. We are here now. You both go to the temple secret room immediately. You both will be safe there.
And what about you?
I will summon Serpent God to destroy them. I won't spare a single one. All the injustice done to us. Every single thing, I will get my revenge. Go. Go fast from here.
I have told you. No matter how much you run, why did you waste your strength by running away?
Stop there. I will call Serpent God. Both of you leave. See, don't worry about me. And you? Do you even know? Who are you going against?
I don't care. Even if it is a god.
Who are you? And how dare you?
My name is Sinkun. I am here to teach you a lesson. This heretical cult is all wrong.
You are crossing the line.
Father! Let him go. What did you do? Father, no. No.
What is this? What did she put in my eyes?
Mother!
Mr. Bodin, Is this the temple you were looking for? I think it is.
Yeah, buddy. Exactly. The temple of the serpent deity. It's hard to believe, no? The stories people used to tell, isn't it? A whole tribe of snakes. A tribe who actually worshipped snake as a god.
I think you should start the shoot quickly. We need to leave before it gets dark.
Why should we leave from here before sunset? I wanted a night shot.
I also think this should be recorded on video too.
Don't even think about it. There are so many snakes here. At night, snakes comes out and slither around this temple. It's very dangerous.
Oh, really? You haven't been here before, right? So how do you know so much about it?
I haven't been. I heard about this place. Snake comes out here at night. That's why no one stays at late night. Because of this rumor, nobody comes here. Mr. Borden, this snake isn't an ordinary one. He's a divine serpent.
This is all superstitions.
You are right.
Alright, buddy. I trust you. We'll arrive in the morning here. We'll shoot in this temple. But at night, we'll head back to the forest and set up a tent. Okay?
Okay, Mr. Borden. Mr. Borden,
Huh? Yeah, go on.
there is another temple I'm talking about. No one knows about it. And to this day, no one has been there. That place is very sacred. But,
But what? Please tell me. Don't worry, I won't tell anyone. I swear, tell me please.
sir, you seem like a good person. I will take you there. I will guarantee no one knows about this temple where it is.
No one knew about it before?
Yes.
I mean, we'll be the first ones to go inside.
Yes, sir.
Discovery will definitely like it. Listen, sir.
Yes?
There is still a lot of film left.
Just a minute. What if everyone should save a little? Then we can manage for about a week boarding.
Maya, is everything is ready?
Don't you worry, dude. I have got everything ready.
Good. Let's go, everyone. Let's move ahead. This guide will take us forward. He is saying there is another temple ahead. No one has seen it yet. We'll be the first team to get there.
Mr. Borden,
Yeah, go on.
are you going over the mountain or under it?
What's the difference? I didn't get it.
If you cross the mountain, it will take 2 days, but through the tunnel, you will reach in half an hour.
So, you tell me what should we do? You are the one who guiding us.
Okay, sir.
Let's go.
Sure.
Be careful.
Please walk carefully. Someone don't slip. These
Okay,
rocks are really
okay.
slippery.
Okay.
Hold on. Is there no other way besides this one?
Yes, there is. But it goes through the mountains.
What is all this for? Nothing is clear here. What if there's danger?
There won't be any danger. Maya, don't worry at all. No one dares to disturb the bats here. Trust me.
What? Bats?
Come, please take care.
How much longer we need to walk?
Do you come here often?
Sometimes I need to come. I know about this jungle.
So then, how did you find the temple?
I found it while wandering around. You won't be believe it, but I don't dare to go back there. It feels like there's something in that temple. It's haunted. It's really creepy. That's why I couldn't tell anyone. And now I don't even want to remember it.
Let's move on.
Yes.
What is up there? Is something moving?
Yeah, it's just a bat.
Ew.
Attention everyone. We have entered a dense forest area. Everyone be careful. Very careful.
Beware of whom?
By snakes.
What is that sound?
I don't know. I think someone is watching us here.
Boarding! Let's go!
Let's go. Sir. Are you okay, sir?
Yeah, I'm okay. You can go ahead.
Don't worry. We'll get out of here.
We have to reach the base as soon as possible. These people. Why are they after us?
They might be local thugs who targeting tourists.
All right. They all are drug dealers, bloody. Illegal bastards. They are just bunch of loggers.
We'll think about it later. Let's get out of here first. Give me your hand.
Yeah.
Like this. Yeah.
The blood has turned black. It means the internal organs have ruptured. They can't get away with this.
What will you do now?
Bastard, are you out of your mind? You asked what I'm going to do with them? City folks can be really dangerous. If we don't kill them, they will kill us. And why did you all run like a scared dogs when a shot was fired? Listen up. If the cops find about this, we are in a big trouble. Let's go, everyone. Kill them all. Let's go.
Hey, who is this beautiful girl?
What's this beauty doing in this dense forest? Yeah. She won't be one of them. Hey, beauty. What are you doing in this dense forest?
I live here.
In such a dense forest? I thought you were joking. Nobody lives here. This is Snake Forest. How are you here?
I told you I live here. You all should head back from here.
We will live. But if you ask me, you should come with me so things can be cleared up. You guys can't be careful. How did Snake come here? Huh? Hey, an eye on this and the rest. Find that girl. Bring her to me if you find her. But if you see those guys, kill them all. Let's go. Where did she disappear? Is it a human or ghost? Hey, listen. Go and search everywhere and make sure those boys don't get away. Go.
Snakes! There's so much snakes!
So many snakes.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh no! I'll shoot him. What is this? Friends! What should we do?
I told all of you. Go back from here now. I gave you a chance, yet you people still don't get it.
Be careful.
Hey, hold on, boarding.
How can we stop, sir? They must be looking for us. You should have to stay strong.
Yeah, wait. I can't do it anymore. I feel I won't make it now. Listen to me, boarding. You tried your best. I am happy that you didn't leave me. Yeah, but now it's time for you to leave.
No, sir, you need to come with me.
No. You're a really good person, boarding. I know you like my daughter, Sarah. And my daughter she told me she really likes you. And my little daughter, she just a kid. She doesn't understand how the world works. If I die, my daughter will be all alone. There is no one to look after her. I beg you, please, take care of my daughter. Promise me you will take care of her.
Yes, sir. I promise. I'll handle them. Don't worry. Sir? 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 Don't worry, sir. I will take care of your beloved daughter. I'll promise. If I don't die here, I'll come here to meet you again. I should leave, sir. Oh, where did my pen go? There is no point in going back now.
Now that you are here, why don't you come out and talk?
Who are you and what are you doing here?
Tell me, who are you? And why did you have to kill so brutally? What's the reason for such hostility?
How do you know?
I know.
I don't know. I really don't know who they are. All I know is that they are not good people. But you are a girl. What are you doing here alone in the forest? It's so dangerous here.
This is my home. And this entire forest is mine. Then why should I be afraid of anyone?
Okay, so do you know the way out of here?
Yes, I do. But it's almost evening now. Tomorrow morning, I will personally guide you out of this forest.
Is there a village or any place to stay around here?
No. This place is far from both villages and cities. No one has come here for a long time except you. Except for the ones I know and my people know. And they woke up and rushed outside in a panic. But it's okay. You can stay at my place tonight without any worries.
Wait.
What's wrong? You are afraid I'm one of those people who go around killing innocent people. They deserve to die.
It seems so the Discovery team was here to make a documentary. But unfortunately, they ran into a drug dealer. But how did this guy die? When the team didn't even have weapons.
No, the team did not kill him. He died from poison. King Cobra poison.
It means that we have wandered into snake territory.
Yeah.
Well, set up camp here tonight.
No. Let's move right now. We will find that temple today and kill him. I have been waiting for this day, so that my grandfather and father can find peace.
That.
I was badly injured once. I was hiding here to heal myself. Didn't see the moon nor the sun. A lot of time passed. When I recovered and when I stepped outside, that's when I found out the world has changed. You will never understand what happened to me. Just like me, who doesn't understand your world. All I know is these are things, but I don't know how to use it. That's why I want you to tell me about your world. Will you tell me about your world?
My world? You mean Bangkok? It's really advanced. High-tech world, high-tech cities. It's a time when women are equal to men. What do you want to know?
Everything. Tell me everything.
Hold on. I was just joking. So, you really don't know what I am talking about?
No. I'm right here. I have never left this forest. I never stepped out. Sometimes I wish I could. I want to explore the outside world. I have always been alone. I have never seen another human. But this,
You can tell me.
I'm just barely alive. I just can't figure out how to say it.
Okay, let's do this. Let me tell you my story, alright? Come on, sit down. Let's start with the first story. Where should I start? Let me tell you about life these days. Do you want to know?
Be careful. Give it to me.
Are you okay?
I'm totally fine. I need to leave for work. I'll be right back. Stay here. Don't go anywhere.
I have spent my whole life to find you.
Who are you?
The mold removing spell. My ancestors have always opposed snake worship. Since my grandfather Pichayanak were killed by your hands.
You're that man's child. I didn't kill you thinking you were a child. I was just protecting myself. But you humans decided to seek revenge.
You killed my ancestors mercilessly.
But they killed my parents. What did they do wrong? Your ancestors paid for their deeds.
I don't care about your past. And let me tell you that I am here today just to take you. Aarti, you are a follower of Shiva's snake worshippers. That cult of snake worshippers disappeared long ago. Your existence, they granted me eternal life and longevity.
Your entire family is absolutely disgusting. And I will never regret killing you.
You will regret it. You will find out soon enough. This rope is coated with Karun poison. It's not coming off. I will kill you.
I regret that I didn't kill you.
You must have recognized this. Dangerous Karun Van. This is what will bring every venomous snake to its knee before me.
Forgive me. I didn't mean to interrupt you guys. But I can't see a girl getting hurt.
Hey! She is not a person. She is a snake.
Snake? Don't make up scary stories for the kids. Do you think I'm a kid? Hey, don't move. Don't try anything which I can't digest, or I'll shoot you. Are you okay?
Thank you for saving me.
I warned you guys earlier. Don't you people understand? I said stay back. Everybody get down. I said get down, everybody.
You will really regret this.
I don't regret it at all.
Do you even know what you are caught up in? I will tell you. Your shadow has faded.
Thanks for the reminder. If you don't shut your mouth, I'll shoot you right through your skull. Listen. Sorry, I didn't listen to you. I heard your voice, so I came outside.
Listen, thank you so much.
Let's go. Be careful. Are you okay?
I'm all right. Don't worry about me. No one can enter this temple.
Okay, let's go. You should have to take rest first. Is it hurting a lot?
I'm in a lot of pain. I don't know what device he used on me. My nerve is pulling. Put me down. I need to lie down. I'll get better on my own.
Okay, here. Easy. You. That means what the man said? Yeah?
Yes. I'm a snake. I have spent half my life as a snake. Once upon a time, I was just like you. I didn't want to be like this. But as soon as an issue, a war, I had no other choice.
I am not afraid of it. And I didn't even hate you. I want to help you. I want you to get better. I know that you are in pain because of this. But I need to know the whole story. You can tell me.
Heard of the Asura dynasty?
The serpent worship of Lord Shiva? That practice was centuries older.
Yes. There are very few people who know.
I am here, so I can conduct research, to read, so I'll make a documentary on it. I never imagined it. This temple is still alive. The world thought this temple was lost with its mythical shape-shifting snakes.
My name is Aarti, who is the sole heir of the Hindu sect. And I'm the last heir who is still alive. Alive to this day. My community are the people who are bound by the Shiva's language. He is the god of our entire community. My father, Yani Ustezi, he was the leader of our tribe. He wanted to become a sacred protector. He who will protect every person in the village. That's why he gave his life. I was her only daughter. He wanted to grant me that blessing. Crafted with chants of all the divine gods. I was taken to the mountain of gods. They implanted the poison within me. It nearly killed me. But because of that, I found my courage again. That's when I realized that my luck has completely changed. Forever.
Listen, are you okay?
I don't know. That device left a deep wound. It crawled in quickly. I might not be able to handle it. I don't have much time.
Don't lose your hope. You can't die like this. I'll take you to the doctor in the city.
What happened to her?
He got shot.
And who fired the shot?
Maybe it was those drug gang.
Put her inside.
Is there a doctor nearby?
There is no one here. You will need to take her to the city. I will handle things here. All right.
Listen,
Yeah?
keep an eye on your friends and be careful. They are really dangerous, so be careful.
All right. I will handle it. Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Hey, let's go. Hurry up.
Where did we go?
I'm taking you to the hospital. I won't let anything happen to you.
This is that boy's bag.
The woman was injured. I think he took that woman to the city. There is a way to find them.
What will you do?
They were filming a documentary. Finding their office will be really easy.
You cannot run away. No chance at all.
Don't worry, this is my house.
Sir, can I help you something?
No worries.
Sir, you are here so soon?
Yeah. She's my friend. She's not feeling well.
Yes.
Listen, will you call the doctor?
Yes.
Simon, bring some cold compresses and medicines.
Yes. Who is this girl?
It's a long story. She's a very special guest of mine. One more thing. Make it clear to everyone. This must not leak under any circumstances.
All right.
Okay. Thank you. Listen carefully. She often stays alone. She likes peace. So you can only come to us when we reach you out. Thank you. Could you please, could you change my friend's clothes?
Yeah, sure. What's wrong with you? What are you looking at? Bring some clothes. Okay.
I need to talk to her.
All right.
Listen, everything will be fine. Stay strong. The doctor is coming. I'll put a damp cloth on your forehead.
The doctor has already left the hospital. He had a surgery.
Listen. The doctors are useless to me. You bring me some herbs. I don't even know you can find it.
You just tell me. I'll find it.
In the woods near temple. One Sakranti, sacred herbs offered to Lord Shiva. I don't know if you'll be able to find it or not.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Listen, I got the medicine. You should take rest now.
I'm all better now. Just like before.
Glad to hear that.
How are you?
Hey, you.
I thought I would never see you again. We had received news that they killed everyone. Then you and Dad disappeared too. You know what? Risha has been crying night after night. But I have always wanted this. Let's stay together. Always stay happy. And Dad? Where's Dad? Why didn't he come with you? Why aren't you answering? Speak up.
Dad was shot, he's gone. I buried him with my own hands. I'll take care of her. I promise. I'll take responsibility of her.
Are you really taking responsibility for this?
Yes, I promise.
Hey, listen.
Oh, you. Uh,
I understand everything. Why didn't you tell me about my dad's death? But you could have told me earlier. Because of this girl.
Who is she?
Her name is Aarti. She's my friend. You should be friend of her too.
Do you think I'm crazy?
You are taking me wrong.
We have been together for so many years. We used to roam around together, talk, and have fun. There was love between us.
Everyone assumed we are having an affair.
Listen, I never crossed the line. There's a big difference between seeming and being.
How can you talk like that now? Everyone thinks so. We love each other. I started care for you too.
I can't do it, Sarah. There is a big difference between love and attraction.
How did you change so suddenly?
It is because of this girl? This girl you brought home?
Yeah, I did. Sarah, forgive me. I don't know how this happened. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings.
We are looking for someone here. My name is Lion. I'm here to find a snake. Her name is Aarti.
What did you say?
Her name is Aarti. And she's the snake in human form. and we are here to kill her.
Then I will definitely help you.
Now just waiting for the right moment.
Aarti, no matter what happens, whoever you are, I don't care. I want to tell you that
Yes. I know. What are you going to say? I have something to tell you too. You. From now on, you are my whole world.
okay then, what did you wish to the god?
That we always stay safe and at peace. I have never felt like this before. I'm so happy. It's all because of you. I want to spend my whole life with you.
It's not so easy. The love of yours, it's going to end today. Finally, I have got both of you.
Leave. I will hold them off. Don't worry about me. Go.
Aarti, let me tell you something. Every single bullet of ours are both of you. So this night is going to be the last night for you. Did you got this?
No, Aarti. I can't leave you alone. What if something happens to you? I can't live without you.
Now you understand how betrayal feels? You would even risk your life for this girl.
Sarah, what are you doing with them?
I am here to kill this snake too.
Sarah, do you even know what you have done? Aarti didn't do anything. Why are you treating her like this?
And isn't it just a snake? And it has driven a wedge between us. She's just acting.
No, Sarah. You must stop. It is very dangerous.
You want to stop me? Give me the gun.
Aarti!
What did you do? What did you do? Why did you do that?
Aarti, Will you do something for me?
What is it?
Nisha. She is daughter of my boss. I took her responsibility. He was also a friend of my dad. I made a promise to him. Take care of her daughter. Aarti. Will you take care of her? Promise me, please.
Yes, I promise. I will take good care of her. No! You killed your lover just to make a point? Sarah, I won't kill you. But from today you are on your own. There will be no favors, no enmity. I never want to see your face again. And you, Lion? You want my life? I want your life. I will deal with you so. Even your future generations will remember this.
Now it's your turn to die, Aarti. And after killing you, I will end your lineage. Stop. Don't go back. I know where will she go. She will not get away today.
Temple, is this the one you mentioned?
Yes. Sarah, my ancestors were killed here. That's why I am going to destroy them today.
Alright, let's end this here today. Let's all go inside.
Get ready. Everyone needs to go inside.
Oh, my serpent deity. I am Aarti, who has dedicated her life to preserving the sacred Nag lineage. I beg you, please. Give half of my remaining life to this man who truly loves me. Wake him again, O serpent god.
so that the sacred serpent lineage continues forever.
You have surpassed even your father. Venomous snake, your end has come.
If you want to revenge on me, not to me, hate yourself.
Because we both already love each other. And if you weren't here, none of this would happened. And he's alive today.
It's all over now, got it? I don't want to talk about that. But I need to ask you something. You have to tell me the absolute truth.
What do you want to know?
Are you going to spend your whole life seeking revenge and ruining this place? You tried to kill me even after I told you not to.
Yes.
Then why are you still there? Come in. And let's end this here forever and ever. From now on, no one can leave this temple.
If I come in, I can also leave from here.
So you are going to use this device on me?
You have already felt the pain of my magic rope. This time I will trap you. I will burn your soul. Then you will know that what real hell feels like.
You won't escape this time. Oh shit. What is this? This gun is not working.
How dare you?
I thought you would be really strong.
Finally, your last bit of strength could not defeat me. Now it's time for you and that snake. Now you must surrender your soul to my ancestors.
Enough is enough. Now it's time to face the consequences of your actions. Are you okay? Aarti, enough is enough.
This woman has really nasty heart. She was just thinking about revenge.
Aarti, I'm begging you, don't hurt her, please.
Poding, why do you want to save her? Do you love her? Or is there another reason?
her father. He risked his life to save me. I'm just fulfilling his duty.
I understand. I'm sparing her life. But she must atone herself. She needs to get rid of this burning hatred inside her.
Aarti?